Hi guys, I'm Mr. Steam. Today we're going to talk about naming fractions. Now this is a lot harder than you might think, so please listen carefully. But once you know it, you'll know it. Now a fraction, as we know, is how many parts of a whole you have. Now, for example, this square here I've cut down directly down the middle. Okay. Now the first question we need to ask is, how much is it broken into? We know this is currently broken into 2. Now I haven't actually highlighted anything, so here I'm going to assume that I have 2 parts of 2. Okay? 2 parts, I have both of them, but they're both broken into 2. So my whole, I have 2 halves. So let's make this one a bit more tricky. Let's highlight this part here. Okay? Now I want to know how many is highlighted now. How much is highlighted in this question? Okay? I'm glad you asked. Let's try. Okay? We currently have how much parts is the whole broken into? That's right, it's broken into 2. I have 2 parts here. How many parts are highlighted? One of them is highlighted. Okay? So here I have 1 on 2, or a half. Okay? Let's make this a little bit harder. So let's try some quarters. So now I have my quarters set. They're right here. I have 3 different questions. Okay, let's try the first question. The first question split into how many pieces? Let's draw our fraction line first. Okay, now I can see that it's broken into 1, 2, 3, 4. This whole thing is broken into 4 parts. The next question I need to ask is, what have I got highlighted? As you can see, let's count them all. 1. That was hard counting. Okay, so let's put our 1 in here at the top. So I now have 1 quarter, or 1/4. Okay, 1/4. Or 1/4 in this case. So, this one here, we know again is broken into the same amount of pieces, so it's broken into 4. There's 4 pieces. How many do I have highlighted? I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 highlighted at the moment, so I'm now going to put a big 3 right up here. Now I have 3/4. Okay? I have 3/4, and someone else has the other one. Who cares? If this was a pizza, I would get 3 parts, they get 1. Okay? Lucky me. Let's look at this one here. This, again, is broken into fourths. So let's put our line and put our 4 down. We know there's 4 bits altogether. Okay? How many are highlighted? 1, 2. So let's put a nice big 2 up here. Okay? You can see this is currently 2/4. Now, in this case here, the biggest number you could get is actually 4/4. Okay? Let's try and draw 4/4. Okay? I need to highlight 4 parts of this. So let's go. Here's our first part. 2 parts. 3 parts. 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/4, or in this case, we can call it a whole. Okay, I'm Mr. Steam, and that's how we name fractions.